How to fix your Instagram sound problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, this problem is very common amongst the iPhone users, especially in the latest update, where you have no sound at all in the Instagram app, from videos, no sound for stories, no sound from everywhere. Now, basically to fix it, you need to go to your app store because this problem is not from iPhone, it is from the Instagram app. You need to go to the Instagram from App Store and update it just like that. This should solve the problem. Just wait for the update. And then after that, you go ahead and open Instagram from the home screen or from the app. After that, once you open it, you should probably find the problem solved. Now, if you don't, you can tap right here in the sound icon, or you can open the real video and tap on it until this sound on icon shows up. And this should solve your problem in most cases. Now, if that doesn't solve your problem, make sure you have your iPhone in the ring mode, not the silent mode. If you already have that in the ring mode, it doesn't fix your problem. Just wait for another update from Instagram. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.